This is the Netgear AV line PoE switch. I'm Spencer with Vivo. Let's check it out. The unique thing about this switch versus any others is it's built for AV purposes. You might use this in a conference room, you might use this with a video wall, any application where you might need a switch that supports PoE. It's very typical in your conference room that you have all of these devices. You want them to connect to the same network, and typically we'll put a switch in the room and connect them to that switch. The idea is to have less variables involved when you're trying to connect and configure the devices. This particular switch has a lot of different ports. It's one of their bigger products in terms of connected devices. It's good to know they have a lot of different sizes as it relates to supporting how many devices you need in the room. The distinction between Netgear's other PoE switches and this one is that it's pre-configured to support AV products. So this is going to be a much more seamless experience as it relates to setting up the room, configuring the room, and supporting it. There's been a major shift in the AV industry. Everything's moving to AV over IP. The idea is that we're going to try to eliminate, if possible, a lot of extenders, long USB runs. We want to consolidate the devices as much as possible. So if we can have the peripherals connected to a single device like this switch, that's a much better experience as it relates to configuring and supporting it. Another great feature of this device is it's fanless. So if you want, you can put it actually into the room, maybe behind the display, and you're not going to hear it. We've installed this in a lot of conference rooms, and it's our preferred choice for an AV switch. If you have a space that's complex enough to need one of these, give us a call. We're going to help you design this so you're 100% sure it's the right product for you. To learn more about this product and others like it, visit us at vivo.tech. And if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel.